Hello, children. Hope you're all doing well at homes and taking care of your health. Right, children? So, today in our session, we are going to learn about a new story. The man learns to fly. So, even we also feel, right, that we have to fly. How nice it would be if I have wings. I can fly high in the sky, right? The same way, this story is in olden times. This is a story in olden times. And in the very olden times, when there were no aeroplanes, nothing, the story was happened. Like, what was that? Let us see. Generally, if you see on the screen, you see a bird, a kite. So in olden days, every people used to feel the heartiest desire of many people was to fly. And they always used to look at the birds and kites staying up in the air and wondered why they could not do so. So they were determined to fly like them. Then they thought, why can't we fly when the birds and kites are flying? So at first, what they have done, they have attached wings to their bodies and jumped off high mountains. You can see on the screen. And they believed that the wings would help them to fly. So, but what happened? These experiments proved to be very dangerous. Why, children? Why? Because many people died and many were seriously injured. However, people were not discouraged by these failures. See, they tried, they made wings, they tried, they experimented, but ultimately they fell down and many people hurt themselves. So that became danger. But see, they did not lose the hope. You have to learn from this lesson this one important point, children. When something is not happening, you should not feel discouraged. Okay, I cannot get this, I cannot do it. No, you try and try and try and try. You will succeed. You can do it, children, right? The same way in 1783, that time, children, two brothers, Jacques and Joseph Montgolfier, made a balloon. See, you can see the picture of the brothers on the screen. Joseph Michael Montgolfier and Jacques Eton Montgolfier. These two brothers, actually children, they were working in a paper factory. So one day they saw in the paper factory the burning papers, and because of the heat and the lightweight, they started flying high with the hot air. So they felt, when these things are able to fly, why can't we make such a thing with the help of this hot air and make it fly? The moment they thought like, what should I make the material of the balloon with? They wanted to make a balloon. They made a balloon. So they took the material flax. Okay, flax means it is a plant, you can see on the screen. So the brothers used linen cloth from the flax plants to make a balloon. Why? Because that is a very easy material, lightweight material, linen cloth. And how linen is prepared, you can see from the flowers, and the grass will be dried, and you can see here. Then this first one, the on the screen you can see a very small packet in the middle picture. They are seeds, flax seeds, and they will be grown like this. They will be dried. When they dried, they become small and small, and they can get soft fiber yarn from that. And this linen cloth is made, children. With the help of the linen cloth, they made balloon. And what they did, they filled the balloon with hot air, and they released it. Where they released? In the air. You can see the hot air. This way they made a balloon, a very big balloon, and it rose to a height of 500 meters. Okay, so when the air inside the balloon cooled down, it slowly came down onto the ground. And when there was no hot air in the balloon, it has come down. Okay, so but immediately you cannot go into the balloon and stand there, children. They started experimenting, no? So what they have done, after some time, the brothers sent up another balloon with a basket hanging underneath it. Now they hung a basket below the balloon. It is in page number 82, children. I'm sorry, I forgot. It's okay. This was a successful experiment. So what they did, they put a basket, and in the basket they kept three animals. What were those three animals? Yes, a hen, a sheep, and a duck inside it. You can see on the screen, children, how big the balloon was, and how you can see the people are looking like ants. And can you see a basket hung down the balloon? Yes. And who were the first passengers in the balloon? A sheep, a duck, and a rooster. Rooster means a hen. Okay, were the first passengers to fly in a hot air balloon. They did experiment because you cannot hurt humans, of course animals are also too sensitive, but we generally do experiments on some animals. So they kept hen, sheep, and duck inside it. So what happened? This was a successful experiment. Yes, the experiment was successful. Very happy the brothers were. The balloon traveled through the air for a short time and gently came down with the three animals safe inside. So nice, no? The animals were safe and the experiment was successful. The brothers were very, very, very happy. And when you do something and when you win it, you feel encouraged and you feel to do something more about it, right? So the brothers, 83 page, this success further encouraged the two brothers, and after a month they themselves went up into the hot air balloon. Now it was their turn. They went into the balloon, and a great crowd gathered to watch this event. See the two brothers in the balloon, and they went, and so much crowd has gathered. This time the balloon rose to a height of 900 meters and covered a distance of 10 kilometers, children, not less. 10 kilometers. This was the first flight of man. This was the first flight the man has taken. That is what, see, when we think something and strongly, we will be definitely succeeded in that. The same way these two brothers, Jacques and Joseph Montgolfier, had done it and proved it. So they felt so happy. And you can see this, children. This is up in the air with the Montgolfier brothers. Let us see if it can be played. Okay, otherwise this was the story, children. Man learns to fly. Hope you have enjoyed the successful story of the real heroes, the two brothers. Simply they did not think that, okay, what we can do, how can we fly, it is not in our hands. If they thought like that, do we see air balloons today, children? Never, right? The same way, you should not lose hope. You have to do something. You have to experiment. You have to uh, you should not leave it. You have to try. Definitely one day you will be succeeded, children. There is no doubt in that. Okay, and you watch this link in YouTube also, Up in the Air. Okay, that poem, you watch it, you will understand how the brothers have succeeded in their experiment. Okay, take care of your children and read the textbook lesson once again. Thank you so much.